Okay, so we're going to go through a few mini roundabouts just to have a look at those in this video. So we know with mini roundabouts generally we give way to the right. Well, we give way to the right, anybody turning right, similar to the way we do with the big roundabouts. Sometimes for some reason learners get a little bit confused, mainly because the way that they're laid out, they just look like a normal right turn, and usually with normal right turns what we would do is we would give way to the oncoming cars, but that's obviously different when it comes to mini roundabouts, so I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So the next one that's coming up is going to look like a normal right turn, except you'll have the white, if you want to call it the dot, the roundabout, in the centre of the road. So let's have a quick look at that. So as we approach, we should start to see a roundabout sign. They normally put them there if you don't know that they're there as you approach. So you can see there's one on the right hand side, and then there's another one on the left, and then we've got the mini roundabout sign, the blue sign with the arrows there. So I'm going to turn right at the roundabout, mirror signal, and then we give way to anybody coming from the right that's going to turn across us. So this one's not, this one's turning left. And see, I've got priority over that white car coming towards me. So ordinarily, if a normal road, you would have the priority there, or they would have the priority, and you'd give way to them if you were turning right. But yeah, it's different when it comes to mini roundabouts. So we'll have another look at it in a sec. So I'm going to turn right at the next one. This one's more like a T-junction. Again, but you can see it's a mini roundabout. So we're not worried about those guys on the left. They should be giving way to us. We're focusing on the right, and they're the ones we'd give way to if they were coming across our path. So another one coming up, and we are going to turn left. Again, anybody turning in towards us, we don't have to worry about them. It's only the people going across our path that we have to worry about. So as we approach, looking to the right, there's nothing coming, so we can just turn.